Ever find yourself rummaging through a messy wardrobe, unable to find that perfect outfit? Welcome to Style and Sorted by Jazzmania, the show that transforms fashion disasters into style masters. Today, we're tackling a fundamental step in your style journey: organizing and decluttering your closet. Why do we need an organized closet, you ask? A well-arranged wardrobe simplifies your morning routine and gives you a clear inventory of your fashion arsenal. It's like having your personal boutique. Now, get ready to revamp your closet with the 5-step closet cleanse technique. Step 1 is empty and sort. Pull everything out of your closet, categorizing them into groups like tops, bottoms, dresses, and so on. This gives you a clear view of what you have. Step 2 is keep, donate, toss. As you go through each category, ask yourself, do I wear this? Does it fit? Have I worn it in the past year? Retain items that boost your confidence and consider parting ways with those that don't. Step 3 involves seasonal rotation. Not all clothes need to be in your closet year-round. Stow away off-season items to make room for what's in vogue. This not only maximizes space but also curbs clutter. Step 4 is about adopting smart storage solutions. Invest in shelves, hooks, and hangers. They not only optimize space but also ensure your items are visible. Labeling sections can also add an extra layer of organization. And finally, Step 5 introduces the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring in, let go of an old one. This keeps your closet balanced and prevents future clutter. With your closet now decluttered, it's time to arrange your items strategically. Color coordination can create a visually appealing and functional layout, making it easy to mix and match. Grouping similar items together and arranging them based on their usage frequency can also help. Daily essentials should be within easy reach for quick access. And don't forget to utilize vertical space. Hang hooks or pegs on the inside of your closet doors to store accessories or bags. So, there you have it. A well-organized, clutter-free closet that not only simplifies your dressing routine, but also makes you feel like you're shopping in your own personal boutique. In our next video, we'll cover how to maintain your newly organized closet. If these tips were helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Style and Sorted by Jazzmania. Until next time, keep it stylish.